Hello, I'm John Dodge, Community Manager at the Enterprise CIO Forum. Mobile security is a hot topic right now with the explosion of mobile devices coming into enterprises. Personal devices being brought in by workers and mobile devices being obtained by the enterprise itself for its employees. I found a great resource from Forrester Research about 20 best practices to secure and manage mobile devices, and I thought I'd go through them. There are too many here to remember, but so I'll be looking down at my list here. The most profound I found was enable device diversity. In other words, do not restrict or limit the devices coming into the enterprise. That used to be IT's job, operating from an approved list, but now they're saying encourage diversity. Segment your workforce by device. I guess that's what that one means. Invest in a mobile management solution or service and deploy a single console and dashboard to manage mobile devices. That makes sense. Communicate procedures for obtaining mobile devices, apps, and services. Well, you would do that for any device, any IT device, or any device that IT is charged with obtaining and supporting. Spell out appropriate use. Obviously, no foul language, no sexual comments, that kind of thing. Plan to support smartphones and tablets. Duh. Define who's responsible for mobile expenses. Well, if you're bringing your personal device in to work, your touchpad or something like that, you would be responsible for maintaining those expenses yourself and then maybe expensing them to the corporation. Explain help desk and support resources, obviously. Avoid logo on mobile devices. This made me wonder, what does Verizon do? What do mobile carriers do? What do phone makers do? They obviously are going to have their logo on the phones. But I'm not quite sure I understand why you would do that, but maybe if you work for General Motors and you have General Motors on your device and someone hates General Motors, they're going to destroy your device. Or they're going to use it as an entree into General Motors, to hack General Motors, for example. Enforce strong password protection, obviously, on all devices. Wipe after 10 failed login attempts. I think maybe it should be a fewer number of attempts, and I'm no expert on this, but a fewer number of attempts, and then the device gets locked down. Wiping is pretty extreme. This says also remotely lock or wipe stolen or lost devices. Crypt all corporate data. That's an obvious one. Limit data stored on the device. You should put it in the cloud, obviously. Provide links to training and additional resources. Embrace Web 2.0 to encourage best practices. Provide a phone number on the locked device so if it gets found, there's a contact number. Empower users with self-service. I mean, that's very powerful. Let them support themselves and feel like if they have a problem, they can fix it right away. And leverage remote control for troubleshooting. Some of these are overlapping, but they make good sense. I blogged on these several days ago, so you can go up and get the list and all the links for these. So anyway, this is John Dodge, Community Manager for the Enterprise CIO Forum. I'll see you again.